just wanted to say something I just noticed. Sorry, I'm going to cover up in a bathing suit. I'm going to get on the way to our orthodontist. So yeah, what we're going to do, yeah, Calum's behind me eating popcorn. So I just wanted to say, this is a short, so I just wanted to say that I sound like Laurenzside. Go check out her channel. It's really amazing, but in her I sound exactly like her. Like, listen, here's a recording.
Oh my god, I feel like my brain is gonna be mush by the end of this. Good job, guys. Well done. Wii Golf. Like Nintendo. Oh my god. Wii! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Versus me. Do we sound similar? You decide in the comments.